Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Radical Mela, your undeniable sweetheart. Today I'm going to unbox my button. Yay! For having 100,000 subscribers. Okay. Yay! Oh my gosh. I have now buttons. You know guys, I'm so happy for having this for the appreciation from YouTube. And I never expecting this having a 100 subscribers. Because you know guys, I started vlogging last year and I didn't expect it. Award from or recognition from YouTube, and I know that this is the beginning, but this is a big privilege for me. Thank you guys. So without you guys, I am not here in my position. I have not received yet this plaque from YouTube. So guys, please continue to like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I love you guys. I love you all. And of course, I look back to our America. Thank you.